What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from the Deberoo Suite, and in this video we are going to create a landing page with a little bit of help from the landing page builder, of course, from the Deberoo Suite, but also with a little bit help of AdCombo. Let's dive in.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are on the dashboard of the Deberoo Suite, and in this video we are going to create a landing page based on the landing page that we received from AdCombo. So we're going to download that and we're going to use the landing page builder in the Deberoo Suite to make some adjustments to it as we go. So let's just dive in. So let's open up the landing page builder first. And in the meantime, let's take a look at this lander that we are going to take, or at least the offer for which we are going to create the lander. So this is the offer right here, Detoxic in the Philippines. And so it's an offer for for like parasites and that kind of stuff. Let me show you the offer page real quick. That is this one right here. Let's see if I can translate it. Alright, so a reliable remedy against parasites. This will completely remove parasites and stomach worms from your body within 30 days. All looks a little bit gross to me, but okay. So how do parasites enter the body? Blah, blah, blah. Alright, so this is the offer page. And then for the landing page, like I said, we're going to use a little bit of help from AdCombo. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a landing page that you receive from your affiliate network. Alright, so inside of AdCombo, you have the option to just select your landing page right here and then select your pre-lander right here. So in our terms, that's going to be a landing page, is going to be an offer page, and a pre-lander is going to be a landing page in our terms. All right, so AdCombo uses a little bit different terms. So this is a way to do it, and then with this link, you will first get to see the landing page, and then when you click through, let's see right here, you will go to the offer page. So that is the flow when you just select them. But you also have the option to click on no pre-landing. This will change the link. As you can see, it changes the end of the link. So now this link is just to the offer page. And how are we going to get that landing page in between? Well, very simple. Let's download it. And oh yeah, we can already give our URL. So let's copy this URL with just the offer page selected. Then download the landing page, and then we're going to paste that URL in here. Actually, this should be the click URL, of course. So https trackgreenlanes.com, or whatever your campaign URL is, right? Your click URL. So enter enter your click URL here.com. All right. So you just enter your click URL, and then we're gonna download that zip file, and we're gonna go into the Deberoo Suite, and right here with the button upload zip, that's where we're gonna click on, and we're gonna drag it in, and then let's give it a name. What's the offer called again? Detoxic AdCombo lander. All right, we're gonna press create. And you will see that, let's select this lander, let's open it. So this is the lander that we have, right? So this is just on the page of AdCombo. AdCombo is hosting this page, but now we want to make some changes. So we have uploaded it to the Deberoo Suite landing page builder, and as you can see, we can now change every single element of the lander, which is awesome. So we can change every image, every video, every piece of text. Every single thing that's in this landing page, we can now change. For example, let's create a new logo, all right? So let's say we're gonna open up Canva, and we're gonna create a new design. Custom size, probably something in the range of 400 by 100. I guess. Yeah, something in that area. It seems like a little bit wide, actually. So let's make it 300 by 100. Let's try it again. That looks better. So let's see. Health logo. Let's see what we can find. Alright. Alright. I like this one right off the bat. But this one is good as well. But I think I like this one better. Let's use this one. Also, there's a leaf in there, which is pretty good because I think this is a completely plant-based kind of thing. Oh, whatever. We're just gonna use it. I'm not too worried about whether it is completely plant-based or not. It's just a logo that I like. So we're gonna drag it into Canva, and then I'm gonna drop it in here. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. Put it in the middle. All right. And we're going to add a piece of text right here. Let's see. Add heading. And what are we going to call it? Let's get some inspiration. Health news. All right. Right here. So let's call it natural. Whoops. Natural health. Natural health, I like it. Very basic, but I like it. Let's get a nice font. I like this one. But let's see what else we have. Alright, let's just use this one, by the way. It's okay. Let's make it a little bit bigger. What I'm going to do is I'm going to separate it. And let's see, I want to get it a little bit more dense. All right, that looks good. Still have to make it bigger though. That's more like it. All right. Let's make this in the same green as that image, all right? We can do so by clicking on text color, and then right here you can see the photo colors. Probably a little bit darker. Yeah, that will do. That will do. Let's download this. All right, cool. And then we're gonna go back into the landing page builder, and adding your downloaded lander is very simple. Simply just double click on it. We're gonna drag our image in, and boom, there we go. Natural health. That looks nice. That looks very nice. All right, cool. So that way you can change literally anything in this lander, all right? So if you want to get these images in, you can just add an image. You can change the text. You can literally change any element inside the lander, even though the lander is actually from AdCombo. So this gives you a great opportunity to use the landing pages that an affiliate network provides you, but still create a coherent flow with your ads and where you want the user to go, all right? So the flow that you have in mind for your campaign, or the flow that you create when you create your ads, your headlines, your images, might not be the same flow as the flow on a landing page if you just use it straight from the affiliate network, right? They don't know what kind of flow you want to take with your campaign, so they have very generalized landers, all right? So if you want to go into the specifics, you want to download that lander, upload it as a zip file in the Deberoo Suite, and you can change any element to make it coherent with the flow that you have set for your campaign, all right? So in this case, as we can see, we have a very dark approach, dark angle on this specific offer. As you can see, the headline, a 44-year-old woman nearly died after hydrocolonotherapy, I guess. So it's a very dark intro. It's about she was feeling unwell. She had this operation. The operation almost went wrong. She had to go back. She almost lost her life. And then at the end, we have our specialist opinion who says, you know what, they shouldn't be doing those operations. It's too dangerous. Instead, they should use this product and there's no risk and it will eliminate any parasite problem, etc., etc. All right, so that might be a good flow that you want to use for your campaign, right? So use it with a news angle of like, operation almost went wrong. Doctors are questioning these operations and whether they should still exist. That will create curiosity for sure. But maybe you want to create a completely different approach. Maybe you want to create an approach on new discovery, eliminates very dangerous operations. And then the angle is on the discovery of a new product which will eliminate the dangerous operations that you have right now. So instead of focusing on the dangerous operation and then giving a solution, you focus on there is a new solution. And the new solution is a solution to the dangerous operation. So those are two completely different flows. So then you might want to change your lander right here in the Deberoo Suite. Download the lander, make some changes to it, and then you're good to go and you have a coherent flow once again. So I'm gonna leave it right here with this video, but no worries because there's always more to come. Make sure to download your landers from AdCombo and make some changes to them to make your coherent flow for your campaigns. And as you will do so, I will just catch you next time. Peace out.
If you're an affiliate marketer, listen up. How about a free course on Facebook, native, or push advertising? Sounds pretty good, right? For a limited time only, the Deberoo Suite affiliate marketing platform by Colin Dice is offering a free course for every new sign-up. And that's not all. You can now have a look inside the platform, explore the tracking software, landing page builder, and cash flow manager before joining. You've literally got nothing to lose. Click the link in the description to create your free demo account and see what the most powerful affiliate marketing platform has to offer.